And then you'll be able to scrub a dub-dub. Let me scrub that camera really good with it like this. Listen, it's here. It's finally here. It's your Shark AquaReach. And y'all, I've been keeping this one a secret for quite some time. Hi, my name is Roxanne. I go by Rox Talk Show. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel because I love to show you all the new and test it out. And then, yes, answer your questions and try it out in different ways. This is your Shark AquaReach. It is your mop and it also is your vacuum for hard surfaces all at the same time. Now, it was designed specifically so that not only will it clean the tough stuff, but like it gets in those nooks and the crannies that are hard to get to, which, hey, I'm down for that. This is your base, and you will plug in that base. All about that base. No trouble. This right here is the actual unit itself, which I've always amazed. It is kind of on the heavier side. Now, I have to tell you, my dogs were sick, and I will show you some of that video, and I'm sorry, trigger warning, but they decided to just let it all out everywhere. I mean, everywhere. And I use the AquaReach to clean up all the everywhere. And I'm going to tell you right now, that basically saved my sanity over the last week everywhere. We got something to clean up in here too. So you push this, that goes in there, just like that. And this pops in there, just like that. Okay, you're also gonna get your solution. This is your Shark Hydro Solution. It's a multi-surface cleaner. So it's gonna work on wood, laminate, all the different things you've got. Tile, you know the drill. With a few different models, you're going to get extra attachments. Just a little warning, like the way that this comes out, you need to look and make sure because you could lose a piece. This is a little scrubby thing, as I know someone who calls it. But what's nice, like if you're using this around toilets, you can just get the toilet area. You know what, you can't get in there with a whole scrubby scrub. This is great for like a toilet area and whatnot, and it'll work nicely for that. Okay, so when you want to use just this part, what you're gonna do is you're gonna press this little blue button right here. You're gonna pull it right out. It does come in multiple colors. If you don't love this color, it's not for you. Pick another color, boo-boo. And then you'll be able to scrub a dub-dub. Let me scrub that camera really good with it like this. Now, when you're done with that, you want to go back to using the machine itself. And honestly, most of the time lately with my dogs, I've been using the machine as is here. And that goes in there. Okay, so a couple tips. This right here comes right off. What did I do? This goes like this. Yeah, this comes off right here, like this. And this is where we're going to fill it up. You'll fill it up with water and the rest will be concentrate. Then you'll be able to clean up. Now it does have a self-cleaning roll, and you can take that roll right here and dry it when you're not using it. Clean it up nice and good as well too. I'll be showing you how I clean with this. More to come soon, but if you have any questions on it, about it, you want to know about your AquaReach, go ahead and put them in the comments. There's two versions of them. One version is gonna be the Pro. That's gonna come with extra attachments, and one is not the Pro. You can also pull it apart right here and then use the attachment like so. And then I can go into like cleaning, for example, the kitchen. So you want to use this not for the toilet, but you want to use it to clean off the grates. You can do it like this. Now the water is going to come out and the solution. And these you can actually get refills of, so you can clean away nice and easy with that. So that's an option for you as well too. So with it, you have three different ways to use it. You can use it as the full-on vacuum cleaner. It's the full-on mop / vacuum. If you need to do just a quick reach, you can do a quick reach. Or if you need the extender, you can click it in here and use your extender to get up high to clean things as well too. Stay tuned because this is just the beginning. I've got more for you coming on this very soon. This was just a teaser and an unboxing. We're gonna do more with the AquaReach. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use it very soon. So be sure to subscribe. If you have questions or you want me to clean certain things, let me know in the comments and I'll do that for you as well too. And as always, those links are there if you wanna just dive in and get your AquaReach. Enjoy.